How to fix apps keep crashing on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix apps keep crashing or apps closes while opening them on your iPhone. Now, before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. Now to fix apps that keep crashing or closing unexpectedly on your iPhone, what you'll need to do is follow the steps. So let's say that our Discord keeps on crashing. So what we'll do is head over to settings first and we'll force close the app. So what we can do is first we'll just offload the app. To do that, go to general. On your general, go to iPhone storage. And on iPhone storage, search for Discord. So search for the Discord app and then open it up. So what you'll need to do is simply tap on the offload option and then offload the app. After you offloaded it, tap on the reinstall button that will appear instead of offload and then reinstall the app. And after you do that, what you can do is you can remove Discord from the background apps as well. And after you've reinstalled it, what you might want to do is update the app as well. So go to App Store, search for Discord, and after you search for Discord, open that up. So if you see an update button here, tap on update and then update your app. After you've updated it, the problem should be fixed. But just to keep things sure, what we can also do is simply force restart your iPhone. To do that, press on the volume up button and quickly release it. Press on the volume down button and quickly release that. And then long press on the side button until your Apple logo appears. Then you can release the side button and then your phone will restart and then the problem will get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.